What's up, guys? So here's the bike. While I was waiting for it to get here in Miami, where I'm working, as you can see, construction site, staying in these trailers. There's 3 of them. Place is a mess. I bought handlebars, and these are the Road 6 Nakeds, and they've got the holes at the ends here, and these are the little end caps to cover those up. So that should make pulling the wire real easy versus the meat hooks and stuff. And these bars are extremely cheap compared to meat hook and the others. So, and they really look good. I like the looks of them. This looks like a 1.25 inch pipe. I'm going to be installing that. Wife decided we go back to Alligator Alley again today because I needed hand grips. And $1,000 later, yeah. Wife came back with this little sign here, Road Glide Avenue. And she came back with this cup holder and the phone holder. I was just there to buy hand grips. Of course, Harley, thank you. Picked up these 2 helmets. I've got them charged, and when I sync them up to the Cena app, because they have built-in Bluetooth right there. These are the what the hell are these things called? I keep forgetting. Sit there and try to update these things 10 times. Outrush R's. I cannot get them to update. It says the firmware is out of date, and I've tried, and it says cannot recognize the USB or something. I don't know. Tried 2 different computers. Went online, looked at it. Looks like everybody else is having the same problem, so I don't know what to do about that. $350 helmets a piece. I just thought I'd show you my Alligator Alley Harley haul. Just went there to pick these up. Damn you, Harley. Every time. I'm gonna get these installed. There's other videos on this online. That's the next thing I need to get. GoPro mount. Alright, I just want to point out one thing. Plug in it's on this one right here, which is when you're looking at your gauges. No, it's the right one. This one here. Upside down to get to that button to release it. Why would you install something upside down like that, Harley? Jeez, what a pain in the ass. Also, I was watching people saying that they can't get the hand grip off that's glued on. When I was 14 years ago, I worked at a bicycle shop. I was always able to get hand grips off. They're glued on bicycles too. And the bicycle shop I worked at was high dollar bicycles, up to $6,000, and this was in the 80s. So if you just take a screwdriver and shove it up in there as far as you can and just work it side to side like that, go all the way around it, stick it in there as far as you can, work it side to side, just like that, and just keep going deeper and deeper. You don't have to cut this hand grip off. And that breaks all that glue loose in there. And then all you gotta do is get a hold of it and twist it until that glue breaks loose. Right there, see? Easy as that. The old bicycle shop back in the 80s coming back to me. It's my first job, 14 years old. All right guys, they're on. Road 6 Customs. They're called the Naked bars. I like them. And they were a good price too. Need to look and see what they cost, but I think it was 200, 230, somewhere in there. I like the little aluminum end caps. They give it a little bit of bling to it. Like I said, I've been trying to tone down the chrome a little bit with a few odds and ends. Added just a little chrome with that. The mirrors, the levers, and the aluminum end caps kind of give it a chrome look also. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? You guys like that? Let's get in here where you guys can see it from the side. Now those are 12 or 13 inch. And they were seeing a lot of videos saying that the 14s would work if you did a little stretching. 12s without having to do any. But when I got the wires in this thing, wasn't too bad at all, being that these ends are open. So that was easier than I thought it would be. But your wires inside here, I didn't have to take that little cradle that holds those clips in, those 3 clips, wire connections. I had enough wire that they went right in there, plenty of room. Even had room to kind of zip tie, do a little cable management. So there was plenty of slack there. Clutch cable looks fine. Brake is a little tweaked there, but I'll reach up in here and see if I can't get any more room out of it. I think it'll be fine though. So there you go, guys. I just got to get the what is it, the phone mount and the cup holder. Both of those are perch mount, so I'll probably put the cup holder over here on this guy, and phone mount over here, since in there is the USB, and I can just run the cord out and connect to the phone. So that'll work great. Yeah, I tried to get the wife to let me get some strippers to model those helmets, but she didn't go for it. Sorry, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. You guys take it easy. And tomorrow's 4th of July, so I hope you guys have a great one. Peace.